If you need to make some changes that apply to a large number of posts or pages, there's something called bulk actions that you can use. Now it's right up top here. It's a drop-down menu that you see up there. And basically it works like this. Now we're in posts at the moment. All you do is you check off the ones to which you want it to apply. By the way, if you want it to apply to all of them, you just click Title here. But let's just choose these 3, for example. So then what you do is you choose, in this case, I want to edit them. I could move them to the trash all at one time, or I could edit them. This is the most interesting one right here because there's our little list right over here. You notice it's got all 3 items in it. I could remove them at this last minute. I decide, well, maybe I don't want to apply it to sample post 2. I just click on it like that, and now it's gone. So I'm now editing these 2 here. I can add them to a category. I can't remove from categories because each of them is in different categories. But I can add them both to the same category. And this could be handy if you've developed a new category, for example. You could find all the ones to which you want to apply it to and add them to the category right then and there. I can also add tags to anything here in my bulk edit section. Just put them in right there. I can change them all to the same author. I can change their comment status, and I use this a fair bit. Ones that I don't want comments on any longer, or I realize actually that group I don't need to have comments on it. I can change that all at once. If they're all pending, for example, I could change their status right away to publish. I could make them all sticky so they're all going to stay at the top of the posts list. All of this can be done in bulk. And again, if you don't want that, you just click on there. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're doing this bulk work is it only applies to this screen. Now notice I've got multiple screens of posts here. I've got 2 screens worth. Much handier if I can do it all at one time or a lot of them at one time. So just go up here to Screen Options, and I'm just going to make more appear on the page. So let's put in for 200, let's say. There we go. Now I've got a longer list, up to 200 of them at a time. And again, I can choose more of them, choose them all, whatever I want to do, and then choose my bulk action from there and hit Apply. Now for pages, it's pretty much the same, except of course, again, we don't have categories and tags, but let's get these 3 together here. We do bulk actions, we hit Apply, and there we go, our list again. Fewer things to deal with, but still very powerful. Changing the author, changing the parent. If I wanted to move all of these to a new grouping, to create them all as subpages of another page, I could do it right there. Same with template, change the template, comments, and status. So again, many different ways that you can change posts and pages in bulk.